Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. In today's video I will show you how to set the IRS time for alignment in PMDG 747, and don't miss the trick I'm gonna show you at the end of this video. Let's get started. The IRS alignment options are stored in the FMC menu. To find these options, select PMDG setup, then options, simulation. As you can see, IRS options submenu at the bottom of simulation pages. Select IRS options, and here you go. For the alignment time we have three options: real, fast for 30 seconds, instant. Let me select real option. I wanna show you the trick. I'm gonna now go back to my FMC pages and start the alignment with real time. Let me first initiate the alignment by rotating the IRS selectors to nav. I select pause init. I enter my ICAO airport identifier in ref airport select line. Then I copy the GPS position to the set IRS pause select line. Now here is the question. I know that with the real-time alignment it's gonna take a few minutes dependent on the latitude position, but how can I know how long it's gonna take, and how can I keep tracking the time to alignment? And there is no thing showing this in pause ref pages. As you can see here, I look at my displays and nothing about the IRS alignment either. Here is the trick. Let's go back to the FMC menu page and select PMDG setup, aircraft, and I select displays. I step through the pages until I get the ND page where IRU time to align is located, and you can see here it's off. If I select the on option, I will enable the time to align on the ND display, as you can see here. Now you will be able to track the IRS time alignment. If you find this video helpful, please like and share to support this channel, and thank you for watching.